G'day guys, this is the first of the Craig Cobb and FTX combined watch list video for the week. Don't forget, tonight is, or this afternoon at 4 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, the first of the four-part series webinar for you to get in and get started, or stage one of this four-part series about the cradle trading strategy. So if you haven't already, register on the link below. Don't forget, you want to turn on your notifications, by the way, for this YouTube channel. Simply put, you're going to get alerts for watch lists like this. You'll get alerts there as well when I go live and I do my scans, plus various other bits and pieces. So you don't want to miss out. Subscribe, hit the notifications on so you don't miss any of this stuff. So, what have we got in the list today based on the FTX margin trading pairs? This is what I've got. Bitcoin, have a look. Well, we've got a higher low and a higher high. It's looking quite good now. I'm really liking the look of this chart for many different reasons. I'll throw the 4 up again here, the 4 hour that is. We did see a pullback yesterday. I'm just a little bit bummed. I didn't get the little cradle I was hoping for down here. I didn't actually get an entry, but it does look strong. The fact of the matter is we have overwhelming confidence in the market at the moment based on the trend. I only ever trade trends. And higher lows and higher highs is what I'm after. Again, look, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're consolidating. Consolidations often in the momentum, so in the direction of the trend, can break and lead to higher highs, like we saw through here. So as far as the market looks right now on Bitcoin, it looks pretty good. Trading wise, do I have anything in the pipeline for Bitcoin? No, not yet. Watching to see how this consolidation forms and if it continues to run through. If it does break higher, I'll look for little pullbacks back in. Matic Perpetual, just jumping down the time frames here, because what we'll note is that it did in fact break. Look, there was 1, 2, 3 little resistance here. It broke above higher low, boom. Double Fibonacci cluster in here of the 38.2 and the 50% coinciding with this old level of resistance that can add or act as support. We'll look at that in the 4-part series as to exactly what all these ingredients are so that you can make perfect sense of those. But a little pullback into here and a little cradle candle is exactly what I'm waiting for here, and we'll just have to be patient. That's the biggest thing about being a trader, is being patient. But a really nice chart there on Matic Perpetual, and one that I am stalking very, very closely. Next up on the list is Tezos. So let's have a quick look at that. Little delay on the chart for some reason. Yes, okay, so pull back in here. I'm looking at the lower time frames. We've got a resistance level here. See, look, 1, 2, 2's enough. You'll see that later on. But a higher low and a higher high. So I'm actually working down the time frames now, looking for opportunities for entries. I kind of like the 1 hour. If I get a little pullback, a little bullish candle there, a little cradle, that's the sort of thing that I'll be looking for. It's not there yet, but again, patience is required, and we'll have to wait for that to see what happens. Now, I've been in OKB Perpetual Futures contract since back here. My stop is now up into here, and naturally I want to see a continuation of this move. I'm watching to see if there's anything that sets up in the meantime, and at the moment there isn't a great deal. If we start to see this push to higher highs and we start to get some nice cyclicity, then yes, it will be something there that I'll keep an eye on. But for the time being, it's in the list because I'm long. Cardano, another one here with resistance. Resistance levels seem to be sort of the match of the day right now, and it's fine because resistance levels offer either a Bitcoin breakout opportunity, so that's another strategy. It can also offer a breakout and a pullback for a cradle or a booster. So these are the 3 strategies that I use, and the first of which you'll be learning for free with FTX. It's called the cradle. It's probably the one that sets up the most, to be fair. That's why I've put it in there so everyone gets a good one to get started with. But again, Cardano, higher low, higher low, higher low potential. Give me another 2 tests. It will take a few hours for this to occur. Maybe later on this afternoon, if it hasn't already broken, a consolidation breakout will be in play there. Bitcoin Cash, another one where the break level is apparent. Test, we'll look at the 15 shows this level here. That's what I call a bee's dick break. Why? Because how big is a bee's dick? Pretty small. Test 1, test 2, haven't got the 3rd yet. I am keeping a very close eye on this on, say, the 1 hour, and even the half hour I think still looks okay. It doesn't look too bad at all there, yeah. So I'm still waiting, I'm still watching, I'm still what I call stalking this particular market, but I do like the look of that as well. On to EOS next. Resistance above. We've got a little bit of a trend coming through. I want to see a higher low. I want to see it push above, and I want to be buying it back into here. Small little bullish candle off of that region. Whether that be on the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 15, I don't know yet. I am watching. I am waiting. It is patience that is required. The one that does look like it could be there ready for us to go is Tron. We've got test 1, test 2, test 3. For me, what this represents is resistance. It's tradable. I'd enter at the break of this candle. If I am to enter, it's got to still come back up. Got good convergence of the MACD and an opportunity for a stop loss up under the most recent higher low. So again, different type of strategy, but looking quite good, and I am keeping a very close eye on that. There is some resistance ahead, 2 tests here, but if I get a tight enough stop, then I can get my 1-to-1 reward risk ratio scale out prior to that level. If that doesn't make any sense, don't worry, it will all be taught over the 4-part series. Again, coming across here to XRP. 1, 2, 3. I'd love to see it hit, pull back, come back in again for resistance. Better yet, break through, pull back, small bullish candle. Now, if what I'm saying here is a little bit, oh, what's he talking about? He's talking so fast. Don't worry. These are to give you ideas about what you're going to be learning. It's for those of you who do know what the strategy is to be able to go to the market and know where I'm looking to apply it. For everybody else, then just get on the link below, register part 1 this afternoon, 4 p.m. We're looking at an hour, hour and a half per section. It's going to be teaching you the full checklist for the crypto cradle. That's essential, and bonus factors, guys. So get on, get involved. It's absolutely free, brought to you by FTX, the platform that I use. That's why the list is FTX, because it's who I actually trade with. So get on board, get an account, and I'll see you this afternoon at 4 o'clock. Turn your notifications on so you get more of these videos from me when you know when they come out, because sometimes they will be time sensitive. Have a great day. Bye.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.